nagagawa silang mini run or magagandang mga shots, always at palagi may sagot agad itong Zamboanga Valientes eh. Minsan hindi lang sagot, may pabaon pa.
May pabaon pa mga fouls eh, no?
Oo.
As Rudy Lincana knocks down na 3-pointer, pang-lima na siguro na tres, no?
Oo,
Itong Zamboanga Valientes.
I think that's a first for Rudy Lingana. Eh.
Nice feed inside, but good help by Barkley Bonia. That's a foul done for Barkley. Two team fouls na for San Beda. For Zamboanga Valientes rather.
Yeah, dalawa na agad yun eh. No?
And a big shot coming from Itule. And malaking shot yun para sa kanya. At ngayon naman, may report tayo coming from Sarah Turkman.
From Zamboanga Valientes, Assistant Coach Joseph, which is the local from Zamboanga, sabi niya must sa mga players put extra effort especially on defense and keep the energy on fire and challenge all those shooters. Sabi niya, diretso lang hanggang dulo dahil focus sila on winning tonight's game at makapagbigay ng magandang laro para sa kanilang mga taga-suporta at sa team ng Zamboanga Valientes. Kim and Nino.
Thank you so much, Shara. And yun nga, to the fans of Zamboanga, no? 3 hours or 4 hours away from Zamboanga, Sibugay. I'm pretty sure marami mga Zamboangueño fans natin na nanunood at sumusuporta for Zamboanga Valientes.
Oo naman. Kahapon nga, di ba? I mean, kagabi, wala pa yung Zamboanga Valientes doon. Punong-puno na tayo dito. Supposedly sa...
Kabasalan.
Oo. Eh, ililipat na rin dito na lang din yung venue.
Well, stop for San Beda, but on the other side, bawi kaagad itong sina Mendy. Linganay, directing traffic for Zamboanga Valientes. Mendy wants it. Nice for that ball. That's a traveling violation.
Mag-emote ka pa.
Oo.
Wala na. Balik ka na agad. Bawiin mo na agad yung pagkakamali na yan.
That shot by Hamora erased by Malik Diouf. The rim protector. Malik Diouf too strong for the drive. He's asking for some foul. Takbo sina Aldous Turculas. Hamora all day. That's good for three. It is 66-58. San Beda cutting the lead. Down. 6-28. Malik Diouf. Vic Manuel. Denied. But recovered by Bulanadi. That's good for two. Para kay Aline Bulanadi. 8-point lead for Zamboanga Valientes. Pull up. Medroso knocks down another triple. Timely shots for San Beda. Turculas, Hamora in transition. Miss shot, but they have the numbers. In the 5-0 run, Coach Kim.
Oo, grabe. Ang ganda ng defense na pinapakita dito ng San Beda Red Lions. Pero at the same time, si Rudy Lingana ay naghahanap ng kakampi. Walang nakatingin sa kanya. Hindi niya ma-forward pass. Napipilitan siyang ibigay dito sa kanyang mga big men.
We'll see kung ano yung gagawin ng mga veterano dito. As Malik Diouf has it. Tolomia finds the lane. Malik Diouf. Corner. Shot clock violation. Another stop coming from San Beda. Gymnasium. Tumatayo na po sa kanilang kinauupuan. Another attempt from downtown for San Beda. Wow, Titay. That's a foul for team foul. Correction. Saya Pak. Silent run for San Beda Red Lions. Bulanadi asking for some friend here. Bulanadi nilapit. Bulanadi malakas. Malik Diouf to the rescue. Doon yung putback for Malik Diouf. 70-65. Back to 5-point lead for Zamboanga. Aldous Turculas. 10 seconds to shoot. Medroso with a floater. Miss shot. Rebound secured. Yun lang. Vic Manuel with a chicken wing.
Tingnan natin. Ayun o. Sanay na sanay sila sa mga itong sitwasyon. Oh, Galiga.
Too strong for Pedroso. Diretso naman sa kamay. Itong si Raton de Coco. Mike Tolomia. Here comes Tolomia. Corner. Vic Manuel fires. That's good for Vic Manuel. The lead is back to 8. Vic Manuel with a big three-pointer. It is 65 to 73. Earlier, San Beda able to cut down the lead to 2. But
Oo.
right now, coach,
Yes.
biglang bumalik sa 8.
That's what I mentioned earlier nga, no? What a shot para dito sa San Beda. Red Lions.
You know, the Red Lions feeling it tonight. Tolomia saying to Duke that I'm in front of you.
Sabi, ito ko sa tabi mo.
Kalimag again. Was a foul. So, you know, Tolomia didiskarte dito for Zamboanga Valientes. Two hands asking for it. Tolomia fires, misses, and a big rebound for San Beda. Easy steal by Bulanadi. Malik Duke. That's a good foul for Reyes.
Oh, yes. Great on.
75-68. Reyes.
Great defense na galing dito kay Raton de Coco.
Mendoza misses that. That's a foul on Kalimag. It is 77 to 68. Vic Manuel. Nakuhaan dun. 4 seconds. Pass inside. Good stop by Zamboanga Valientes. 2 minutes and change. Bulanadi scanning the floor. Double team. Bulanadi. That's a foul. Here comes Sanbeda. Itulia spins. Bumihit.
Ganda naman.
Pinabanda pa. 7-point lead for the Valientes. Under 2 minutes.
Eto na tayo.
Denver Cadiz scans the floor. Tolomia goes in and out. Kick out. Vic Manuel fires. Knocks down the three-pointer.
What a shot para dito sa Muscle Man.
Right on cue for Muscleman Vic Manuel. Sanbeda. Hindi na pumapasok yung kanila mga bitaw kanina, coach.
Oo. Sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Just in time na lumalapit na yung San Beda, palaging meron pa rin sagot itong Zamboanga Valientes. At minsan may pasobra pa nga ng mga points yan.
Shot clock winding down. Kick out. Vic Manuel leads to 5. Long 2. Miss. Rebound by the smallest guy. Denver Cadiz.
You can see the leadership and experience dito ni Mike Tolomia, no? Sinasabi niya ito si Cadiz na wag mo na natin, mamaya na, ubusin mo natin, pababay natin yung shot clock before we take the attempt. Nag-crumble down sa pressure itong Zamboanga Valientes.
Hamora. Goes to Torculas. Kalimag fires. Miss shot. Rebound Malik.
Raton de Coco na naman. Yung nakapulot ng bola na yan.
Bilis ng reaction eh. No, that's a cabinet. 37 seconds. Hamora. Itulie. And that's a big shot for Itulie.
Yes, yeah.
Tapos binigay niya sa kanyang katabi. May gitgitan dito between
Oo.
Diouf and Medroso, and Kalimag naman, his former teammate. Pumagit na kagad dito. I mean, former teammate of Malik Diouf.
Partida yan, hindi pa nai-inbound yung bola.
Oo.
Hindi pa nabibigay ng referee.
Bounce it off to his opponent's back, no? Malik Diouf. That's a foul on Medroso. Oh, nice block. Nice stop by Vic Manuel. Medrosa fires. That's good for 3. Back to 5-point lead. With a inbound here. They go to Malik Diouf. Foul on Hamora. Malik Diouf. Dalawang mintes. Sino nga hanapin? Torculas. Aldous. Short. Rebound. Andito pa rin sa Beda. Hamora. Fires. Rebound by Tolomia. And a foul given by Itule. Medrosa. Corner. Three-pointer. Miss shot. We'll have a review if that one counts.